We mentioned some typical examples of what brokers are using Pathway for. So renewal reminders, getting in touch with clients before the renewal in order to let them know their renewal is coming, to ask them to complete a questionnaire and update you if there are any changes on their end. Also, we can automate coverage recommendations as part of these letters. Documents delivery. So we'll talk about our portal solution as well. And some of you may be using a portal already. So e-delivery is slightly different. So this is delivering documents via email without the portal needed. So there would be a temporary link behind, well, in this example, this download now button, where clients can access their document without any login necessary. And it would be available for 48 hours to them, and then they can request a new one, but still a very user-friendly, hassle-free way of delivering documents. Payment chasers, billing reminders, any type of billing updates, we can use as a trigger for an automated notification going out to the client. And we can include a lot more details in these email templates. So balance due, due date, whatever makes sense, relying on the data you already have in the system, right? Following up on claims. So if a claim is open or a claim is closed, that can be a trigger for an email in Pathway, where, when a claim is open, you might have something simple like this going out, but when the claim is closed, you may want to check in with your clients, ask them for their feedback, for a rating, how satisfied they were with the whole process. NPS, and we'll talk more about this, but it is part of our core package, which is a very user-friendly, easy way of collecting online reviews, boosting your online reviews, but also collecting feedback from your clients overall. Following up with lost clients. So, proactive workflows, what happens when a client is leaving? So what is the first step? Do you want an email going out where you're asking them for their feedback? But it doesn't end there. What we're hearing from brokers typically is there needs to be a streamlined process of how to handle following up with lost customers. So this way it can be fully automated where they're leaving, number one goes out, but then 9-10 months later, they're re-engaged with another email, an SMS. Your team is receiving notifications that they need to check in with them because now their renewal is coming up again. So it is the perfect timing to reconnect. Newsletters, for sure. We even offer a library of articles, again, part of the core package that can be used for automated newsletters. Another example of asking clients for their feedback. Welcome new clients from day number one, providing the most important info, so their policy details, combining it maybe with e-delivery, delivering the documents, sharing with them if you are offering any additional tools. So setting up starting the whole onboarding process properly, right? And introducing that main point of contact. Then also cross-selling, we mentioned that. So based on policy type or based on coverage, you can easily target segments of your clients with custom content, but then also happy birthdays, following up on quotes, prospecting, whatever makes sense, as long as we have the data needed in your main system.